Tired of exporting Salesforce reports to Excel just to make a simple chart? Learn how to add one directly in under 60 seconds. All right, here's the plan. First, we'll open the Reports tab, select a report, and then click Add Chart. Let's walk through each step. So the first thing we need to do is get to the Reports area. In Salesforce, this is going to be one of the main tabs you see at the top of the screen. Just look for the one that says Reports and give it a click. I found that this is one of those things people overlook because they're so used to jumping straight into Excel. But trust me, once you see how easy this is, you'll wonder why you ever went through the hassle of exporting. Now, this might take just a moment to load your list of reports, depending on how many you have in your org. But once it loads, you will see all your folders and the reports inside them. And here's the really important part. We are going to pick the right report for the chart we want to build. So now that we're in the Reports tab, scroll through your list and find the report you want to visualize. Go ahead and click on its name to open it. In my experience, this works best with reports that have grouped data or summary rows because those give you something meaningful to chart. For example, if you have a report that shows sales by region or opportunities by stage, that is perfect. You could pick anything though, even a simple list of accounts or leads. Once the report is open, take a quick look at it. You should see your data there in the standard table format. This is the part where most people stop and think, okay, now I need to export this to make a chart, but stay right here because the next step is all we need. All right, now for the fun part. Look at the top of the report, right above the table. You should see a button that says Add Chart. It's usually sitting up there on the right-hand side, not far from where you would find the Export button. Go ahead and click on Add Chart. When you do that, a new panel will slide open on the right side of your screen. Salesforce does a pretty good job of guessing what kind of chart to show you based on your data, so you might see a bar chart or a pie chart pop up automatically. But you are in complete control here. You can change the chart type, pick which fields to use for the horizontal axis and the vertical axis, and even tweak the colors and the title. And here's a tip I always share. If your data has dates, try using a line chart to show trends over time. It looks really professional, and it takes about 10 seconds to set up. But if you have categories, like regions or product lines, stick with a bar chart or a pie chart. Those are the easiest for anyone to read at a glance. So to wrap this up, once your chart looks the way you want it, just click the little check mark or the Done button, and Salesforce will save that chart right there on your report. Now, whenever you or anyone on your team opens that report, the chart is there waiting for them. No more exporting, no more copy and pasting into a spreadsheet. You can even add multiple charts to the same report if you want, which is great for dashboards. And that is really all there is to it. From now on, you can visualize your data directly in Salesforce without ever leaving the platform. Give it a try on your next report, and you will be done in less than a minute.